Have you ever wondered how to grow tomatoes from seed to harvest? Welcome to an intriguing exploration of tomato cultivation as we embark on a journey from tiny seed to bountiful harvest. Stay tuned as we unravel the tomato's journey from a tiny seed into a bountiful harvest. Any successful harvest begins with a single seed. It's the humble beginnings of our tomato growing journey. The first step is to plant the seed in nutrient-rich soil where it can thrive. Optimal conditions include a slightly acidic soil with a pH between 6 and 7 and a temperature of about 20 degrees Celsius. Plant the seed about 1/4 inch deep, and it's all set to grow. With the seed planted and nurtured, it's time to wait for the magic to happen. As days go by, our little seed embarks on a journey of transformation. It's a gradual process, requiring just the right balance of sunlight and water. Yet not all is smooth sailing. Challenges like pests and diseases may arise, testing the resilience of our growing plant. But with proper care, vigilance, and a dash of patience, we can guide our plant through these hurdles, ensuring a healthy growth. And just when you think you've done all you can, the real excitement begins. After weeks of anticipation, the moment of truth finally arrives. Your tomatoes are ready for harvest when they're uniformly colored and slightly give to your touch. To pick them, gently hold the fruit and twist it until it comes off the vine. Be careful not to yank or pull, as this can harm the plant or bruise your precious tomatoes. And there you have it, a bountiful harvest of juicy, ripe tomatoes, all from a tiny seed. Growing tomatoes from seed to harvest is a journey filled with anticipation, challenges, and rewards. Each step, from planting to nurturing to harvesting, brings unique satisfaction. Thank you for joining us on this tomato growing journey. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening secrets.